Try, adapt, learn. In this video, we will try to change oil in a 2005 Toyota RAV4 with a 2.4-liter engine. We will begin by removing the oil drain plug from the oil pan with a 14mm socket. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe now and click the like icon. We will then remove the oil filter using an oil filter wrench. With the gasket lubricated, we will begin installing a new oil filter by hand. We will reinstall the oil drain plug starting by hand, then using a 14mm socket and finishing with the torque wrench. The torque wrench was set to 30 foot-pounds for the drain plug. Please check the appropriate service manual for your application. Next, the oil fill cap is removed and a funnel used to fill the oil. Full synthetic oil was used to fill the engine with a specification of 5W30. Hey, thank you very much. I had a great time making this video and I hope you did watching it. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now and click the bell.